Hey, what's up you guys? It's Milo. Welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, hi, hello, welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for being here. Today I'm going to be doing a video talking about different places that you can find scene and emo clothes because I get that question a lot. I was sitting here because I have this fun cookie pillow and I have this like very scene blanket behind me, but you can't see it. Isn't that cute? This is from a thrift store. Anyway, I have to be somewhere in 30 minutes, so let's just get straight into the video. The first place I always recommend for finding emo or scene, just alternative clothes in general, is thrift stores. And I know that you might not be able to find like Hot Topic items at a thrift store, but a lot of my clothes are thrifted. The pants I'm wearing today are thrifted. You can find some gems. If you're lucky, you'll find something super alternative, but thrift stores are also great to find good bases and basics. Things that you can either, just like black clothes, or I like to find colored pants there. Sometimes you'll find like neon pink jeans or whatever. So good basics like that, but also things that you can DIY, things that you can cut up or put safety pins on or whatever you want to do. I like to dye stuff. I'm going to dye the pants I'm wearing because they're white. I'm going to dye them probably neon green, maybe neon pink. So it's a good place to find stuff like that. There's also online thrift places like Mercari, Depop. Depop's really like over expensive, but I like Mercari personally is what I like to use. And there's also Poshmark, but any of those types of apps and websites, you can get actual like the brands you want. You can get Trip pants or whatever it is you're looking for, Demonias, for a cheaper price because they're thrifted. I also always recommend this because fast fashion sucks and it's better for the environment to thrift. Also shoes. I am a shoe hoarder. I love shoes, and all of my shoes, except for I think 3 pairs, have all been thrifted. And so if you're ever seeing my outfits online and you like my shoes, they're probably thrifted. So I always recommend going through the shoe section. The second one I had to mention is Hot Topic or Spencer's. That's an obvious one. I recommend if you're going to Hot Topic to use the Hot Cash system that they have. Go spend some money, get the Hot Cash, and then when it's time to redeem your Hot Cash, go back for everything else that you wanted the first time you went there because now it's half off. Spencer's, I really like the skirts at Spencer's. You have to go back, not behind the beads, but like next to the beads, because, I don't know, that's where the cute skirts are, because sometimes they're meant for other things, but you could just wear them as skirts, and they're very cute. Probably like the second most common or third most common place that I get my clothes after thrifting and Hot Topic is Spirit Halloween. I love Spirit Halloween. My gloves are usually from Spirit. My legging, my tights that I wear underneath skirts or shorts, the striped tights are my favorite from Spirit, and they have them in like every single color. They also have a lot of good basics, like just black circle skirts, stuff with, I don't know, like pentagrams and stuff on it if you're into that. They also have their 80s themed stuff. The clothes in that are very neon and bright. They have like a neon mesh green shirt that I think would be really cool for some sort of scene outfit. And on the topic of Halloween, just Halloween sections in the stores, in Walmart, in Target, wherever. Obviously you'll be able to find like skeleton t-shirts and stuff like that, but their accessories is where it's at. They'll have necklaces, bracelets, sometimes cheaply made, but if you're on a budget, I have a choker that I love that was from Walmart's Halloween section, and it was like $2 because it was on clearance after Halloween, and it's just like a super sparkly band, and then it has like a sparkly skull on it. Well, I always recommend after Halloween going to all of the grocery stores like Walmart, Target, and going to Spirit Halloween and looking at what's on sale, and you'll most likely find some pretty good accessories. Oh, I also have a shirt that is probably the most commonly asked, like, where'd you get that? Is this particular shirt that I have. I'll put a picture right here. That was from Spirit Halloween. That was a children's Halloween costume for a cheerleader. I think it was called Scare Squad. And I cut it into a shirt. So if you want to be real thrifty with it, buy a Halloween costume and make it into an outfit. I also have a really pretty dress from Spirit that's like a holographic skeleton. One place that I used to always go for accessories is Claire's. Icing is you can kind of use icing, but I love Claire's because they have so many different gloves, like fingerless gloves, fishnet gloves, all of that stuff. They also have hair accessories, like if you're really into the scene style, they have the bows, and at Claire's and Icing usually they have the little tiaras that are really cute and sparkly. So if you're doing like a scene queen look and you want a little tiara, they have those. They also have, if you want cheap makeup, like if you just want black nail polish and stuff like that, they don't have a lot of necessarily like emo, like black eyeliner, but they have cool nail polish and like fake nails that you can get there. Another favorite place to get my clothes, that's kind of a, you just have to have the opportunity, is concerts. Just band merch in general. A lot of my like sweatshirts and hoodies are band merch, and then a lot of my t-shirts, my favorite shirts, are my Bring Me the Horizon shirts because they're like super heavy, which I really like. But yeah, if you go to concerts, plan ahead and set aside some money so that you can buy merch, because that's a great place to get your clothes from. And the last place is just small businesses in general. In Utah, we have a lot of cool alternative little like small businesses and shops, and I don't know, like thrift type shops. We have this one place that sells a bunch of brand new like trip stuff and stuff for raves, which can be very seen, like the little leg warmer things that I know a lot of people like to wear, the fluffy leg warmers. They have those, and then they also have a thrift section at that store. But online, there's so many emo alternative small business. There's like small creators that have Etsy shops or like Depop shops where they make custom candy or wigs, stuff like that. But there's also actual small businesses. Ghost Killer Entertainment makes really cute merch. I love they're like the old monster tees from the 2000s. I love Ghost Killer Entertainment, and they're also super sweet, the guy that runs it. There's Bunny Guts Apparel that also makes the monster shirts, and I'll link all of this down below. And none of this is sponsored. I wish this was sponsored, but none of this is sponsored. Where I got most of my chokers is a little small business called Not Candy, and they make really cute chokers, a lot of like bright colored chokers too, with spikes and studs on them. Digital Design X actually sent me a package a little while ago. It was like 2 years ago, but I love the shirt that they sent me too. They're a really cool small business. But the point is, there's so many small businesses. A lot of them, I think almost all, I've discovered through Instagram. So I recommend that if you have the money, just spend it on small businesses in the community. Their stuff's really cute, and you're not supporting like a big corporation and fast fashion and all of that. Going back to the topic of merch, YouTubers, even bands not at a concert but just on their websites, but especially YouTubers, like Johnny Gilbert has merch. He has jewelry with Never Take It Off. He's got obviously his shirts and his sweatshirts and stuff. But any of your favorite YouTubers, even like a while back I had a Mr. Beast shirt, and just the way like that the design was, I could make it into a scene shirt. So just looking at your favorite YouTubers and what merch they have, you can turn a lot of things into something emo or scene depending on how you style it. And then you also get to support somebody that you really love. The last option, kind of what I talked about earlier with thrifting, is just making your own emo or scene clothes. Finding basics or finding stuff thrifted or wherever and then turning it into something emo or scene or whatever you want to make it. I have a video that I'm halfway through with filming of different like emo and scene alternative DIYs that you can do with shoes, pants, shirts, just like the whole fit. So if you're interested in watching that, make sure to subscribe and have the notification bell on so that you can see when it gets released. But I am having a lot of fun working on that video, and just it reminds me of like Jessie Page's old videos. Not a Jessie Page fan anymore, but I loved Jessie Page growing up like in middle school, and all of her emo DIY videos. So it's kind of reminding me of those while I've been filming it. So yeah, if you're into those old videos or just any DIY videos in general, I'm gonna be making that soon, releasing that soon, and I'm excited for that. But that is all I have for today, because that's all the places that I get my clothes, and I couldn't think of any more. So hopefully I covered everything. Thank you so much for watching. If you made it to this point in the video, please like the video so I know. And if I missed anywhere that you guys like to get your clothes, leave it down in the comments for everybody else to see so we have more options. And thank you so much again for watching. I'm gonna go get ready for the place that I have to be in now, 20 minutes. Sorry if this was kind of a short video. I said everything I needed to say, and I'm trying to rush. But okay, for the last time, thank you so much for watching. I love you guys so much, and I will see you on the streets. Peace out. Bye.